Hey everybody, welcome to Everyday Waffles, where I make one effing waffle that's gonna power me up for the entire day. So today's waffle is going to be the Savory Mushroom Power Waffle, and I'm making it for two because tonight is Best Friends Edition. Dutch is here, so yeah, so we're gonna be going on an amazing mushroom-packed waffle. What did you say you wanted for dinner tonight? Mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
So shrooms it is. Here we go. So hopefully we don't end up with an experience like we got the other day. Wow. Can you believe that shit?
I can't believe you got that the waffle iron all cleaned
Well,
up.
yes. Okay. So there was in case you didn't see it, I had a waffle gone not bad. So I'm doing 3 eggs tonight. A waffle gone bad, and I've now a very clean, uh, very clean waffle iron. That was fucking hilarious. All right, so I'm doing 3 of the egg replacer, and also, so I'm gonna make a little bit of a flaxseed egg too, because I really want this one to hold in. So I'm taking a tablespoon of flaxseed. Let's go 2. So 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. So I'm just gonna let those sit in water as well. And so that's gonna really help us bind because we came completely unbound. Yeah, that was fucking hilarious though. In a not so hilarious, that fucking sucks kind of way. But actually, the waffle ended up being really good. Don't worry, Ori did get to eat that night. 4, I can't count. 5, woohoo! 6. All right, so I put 6 in there, and with the bobs, and I'm just gonna put in 3 and 4 with the, well, just 3 with the flaxseed. How's that? It's all right. So keeping our ratio of 1 to 2 on our bobs. Thank you, Bob. Egg replacer. Chopsticks. Lovely. Seriously, Dutch, I have not found anything else that works better than chopsticks.
That's cool.
Still. I love it. As Dutch can attest, I have very few dishes now. It's nice. I can have my cupboards for other things. But it was kind of fucked up when the cupboards were no food, no dishes.
Yes, it was.
Dutch, you want to tell them what my cupboards look like just 6 months ago?
uh, Full of medicine and medical supplies and nothing else.
That was it. That was it, guys. All right, so we got Bob's going, and now I'm just going to stir up the flaxseed just a little bit and just let that kind of sit in there. Our binding agents. Yeah, it was like really, really crazy trying to go from like zero food in the house to food in the house to
And from total liquid to now you can do solids.
That was crazy.
Everything.
Let's not do this again. Okay, so I'm gonna do. So I want a lot of nutrition in my waffle because, you know, it's Dutch. I gotta power him up so he can get up to his normal no good. So I'm doing 2 cups of oat flour and making a huge ass mess. 1. Yeah, I'm making a mess tonight, Dutch. But I really like the crockery you gave me.
Oh, you're welcome.
I appreciate it. It's pretty and it matches my kitchen.
It does.
All right, so 2 cups of oat flour. Doom. And a big ass mess. Yay! Okay. I'm putting the shit away. Man, I got so much stockpile of fruit and everything today because this also every day is going to be pairing with juice and a protein shake as well. Okay, so let's see. I got 2 cups of oat flour, and now I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of chia seeds. Just add in as much nutrition as we can, really. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's why we're using the extra binding, because this is heavy on the seeds and heavy on the. We just like it heavy on the grains. Really makes for a good. You know, you're gonna like. You're guaranteed to have a good poo after eating Brian's dinner. All right. Let's see. So 2 tablespoons of our nutritional yeast. Really nice umami flavor is going to come out with our other greatness that we're going to be adding in. All right. So we got the oat flour, chia seeds. We got our flax seeds going. We got our nutritional yeast in. Now let's add in some fun. So I'm going to put in a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of thyme. Always need more thyme, more than a teaspoon, that's for fucking sure. And some black pepper. Although I'm holding the measuring thing right here, just like that. Very, very, very carefully measured as usual. Shit. This man over here can attest I'm not good at following directions. Okay, and then I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons, heaping teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, I think I got it all. Let's see. Oat, chia, flax, yeast, garlic, thyme, salt, black pepper, baking powder. Yes. All right. So I'm going to pop all these things away real quick. Get them out of my way. Oh, shit. The most important
Did you plug
part.
it in?
No.
Oh, no.
Dutch.
Ah.
Oh, what are we going to do? It's dinner at Brian's house. So what's it like now that whenever you come over to my house for dinner, you're on camera, pretty much? You like it?
Yes. It's different, but I've gotten used to it.
Oh, good.
But I enjoy your creativity. I enjoy your cooking skills and
So
your
whisk it all
repartee.
together. My witty repartee.
Yes, all of the above.
My witty repartee. That's what he loves the most about me. My repartee. Shut it. All right. So there we go. This awesome mixture with all the seeds in here. I just really like the coloration. It's really just super nice. I'm still getting used to this camera. This is really weird. All right. This whole setup, kind of like, cool. What do you think?
Yeah, it's a different way of doing it, but I kind of like the monitor there.
Yeah, I do too. It's kind of like, I don't know. It's kind of cool. All right. So now I'm done with that. So now I'm going to put the fun stuff in. So I'm going to go ahead and put in 1.5 cups of almond milk. One and 1/2, yep. This is kind of fun creating this one. Actually, I better leave this out just in case. You never know.
You never know.
Especially with me lately. Okay. 2 tablespoons of, that was a little bit, 2 tablespoons olive oil. We're going for the industrial stuff now. Costco. Chopstick down. Okay. So now I'm going to stir this up. So as you can see, really, really liquidy, mushy, but now we're gonna add in some really fun stuff. So these are the rest of the onions from last night. So I'm doing a 1/4 cup onions, and then 1.5 cups of sautéed mushrooms, which I put in by request. We had mushrooms. Here come the shrooms. And we don't need the party lights for these.
There's several types of mushrooms. Is that right?
Yeah, I got 3 different types of mushrooms in here. Something, something, and something. So
shiitake is one.
Shiitake and crimini, shiitake, and baby bella.
Baby bell.
That's our mushrooms. Yeah. That's our mushrooms tonight. Yay. Okay. I think I got all the main stuff here. Ta-da. While we're waiting on this to heat. And I got a fun sauce that we're making too.
What's the sauce going to be?
So the sauce is going to be cilantro, garlic, lemon.
Sounds awesome.
Okay, so see how our flaxseed egg came up together. So it's not as thick or gooey as what we're going to be doing with Bob's egg, which is much more gooey, which is what we actually need. Let's hold all this thing together. This is one hell of a hearty waffle. Well, they pretty much all are. Because I need my nutrition all day long.
Yeah.
So,
your Irish waffles were awesome.
yeah, oh my gosh. Yeah, Dutch got to eat waffles when he first got here. So this is all just going to sit for a minute. A lot of it is I'm very impatient.
Me?
Me. I mean, if I would just like do my waffle recipes and say brought to you by Homo Sweet Homo and just let it sit here for a while, they would probably be a little bit like more like boosty moosh together, but I like doing this on camera, so here we go. We speed it up. Doop, 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 doop. All right, here comes in this nice, beautiful, clean waffle iron.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. I will teach a class on cleaning a waffle iron one day. All right, here he goes. Mushrooms and amazing grains, mushrooms and onion. Hey, get in there. Oh, God, it smells so good already. Okay, so it gives me a quick second to clean all this up and to make our awesome sauce that's going with this. Swipe down this counter a little bit. My goodness, this shit went everywhere. But then again, whoop, that was funny. Okay, and I made it. All right, so here we go. Now I'm gonna make our awesome sauce to go with this. So we got the Kimberly Freedom KitchenAid. Yay for Kimberly.
Yay.
We miss her.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna put in it's about 3/4 cup. Yeah, I'm just going for it. Why not at this point? All right, yep. 3/4 cups of Greek yogurt. Oh my God, Dutch, you should see this. I'm just making a mess of myself over here. Yeah. Okay. Luckily, I got backup scoopy thingy. I know, just scooping everywhere. Oh my God. Well, might as well use the rest of this because it's almost empty now.
Yep.
And it's goopy everywhere. It's goopy. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna put this here, that there, and this here. But we don't need to lid this because I am going to be using it. All right. Ah. Oh, our waffle's doing great. So now I'm gonna juice a lemon. You know what? I'm gonna juice 2 lemons. I only got like 40 lemons over here. I got a whole bunch of lemons. Got big ones, small ones. There's lemons everywhere. Well, I put them in my juice. Like every day I got lemons in the juice.
Ah! It escaped.
Oh yeah. Oops. Okay. Hurry up, Brian. Oh, thank you, Dutch. Oh, whoop. I can almost. I love you.
Love you too.
Have I told you enough today how much I love you? If I haven't, I love you. So now I'm going to put in about a clove of garlic. I'm using the last of my minced garlic. Really nice and tasty. I got a jar to put sauce in. Yay! All right. That there. Now put in some fresh cilantro in here. Off to the side. This is gonna taste so good. Might not always look so pretty coming out of the waffle iron these days. Oops. Still can't believe that. I was like, oh, it's gonna be so good. Oops. It tasted good, but turned into an epic mushy, which then ended up getting an epic cleaning on my waffle iron. And we started so late too. Okay, so I'm gonna put in, I know it's a lot, but I love the taste. So about a quarter cup of cilantro in here. Just know that's a heavy amount. Very heavy amount. But it's gonna taste good. All right, loud thing. You know, it doesn't come across very loud on the camera, but it's really loud in here. Not camera, but microphone.
Microphone.
No. There we go. Roll that. It smells so fucking good.
I can smell something over here.
Yeah.
Can't wait to taste it. I know it's going to be fantastic.
All right. But let me rinse this spoon off. Actually, let's grab a fresh one. All right, sauce.
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect.
You would think it'd be heavy cilantro, but it wasn't that heavy. Sharps off to the side. Every time. Be safe with your sharps. And there's gonna be dishes tonight. There was like dishes last night. Oh my gosh.
I bet you had a lot from 3 different waffles.
I'm not used to doing that many dishes. Okay. We got a green light. Here we go. Green lit. On this wonderful savory mushroom power waffle for 2. With a very awesome lemon cilantro. Garlicky, beautiful, sharp off to the side.
Yeah.
Lemon cilantro sauce.
Go waffle iron. Go waffle iron. Yeah.
Oh, ho, ho.
Yay! It's it's whole.
It's whole. Oh my gosh. It's alive. It lived. Hey, dude, after the last couple ones, I was getting really fucking nervous. I was like, shit. I mean, they were scaring me. Like, really scaring me. Well, I don't know shit.
Now, how many does this recipe make?
All right, so this is going to be, this recipe is for 2 people. So this is going to be, it'll make each of us 2 waffles.
Oh.
So you can eat one now and one later. And I am going to eat these other ones spaced throughout my day tomorrow. And I'll have my usual little bit tonight.
Cool.
So yes, you can eat one full one now.
Yay!
I cannot. If I ate a full one, I would not be going to sleep. I'll be up. I want a big spoon. Okay. First of all, let me show you the waffle. You can see it's like lighting. I'm trying to find the right lighting. Kind of weird with this new camera. So this is like beautiful, full of grains. You can see the mushrooms in there. You can see the onions. It's just a beautiful, just gorgeous looking waffle here. Now let's put this sauce on top. I think, Dutch, this sauce is going to be a real nice compliment.
I do too.
Because, you know, I'm balancing out the really earthiness of the waffle.
Thank you.
This is the part where I get really excited. We're going to find out. Even though he is my best friend, please tell me. Is that what you were wanting for dinner tonight?
Oh my God, this is awesome. Love it.
Bye, guys.